Good morning, student. Student, topic is height and distance. Height and student, you will learn the question based on the topic height and distance. Question number 1. The angle of depression of two ships from the top of a lighthouse are on the same side of it are found to be 45 degree and 30 degree. If ships are 200 meter apart, find the height of the lighthouse. Student, first of all, make the figure. Let there are two ships, one at the position A, another at the position B. There is a lighthouse. The angle of depression of first ship is 45 degree. And of second ship it is 30 degree. And these ships are 200 meter apart. Find the height of the lighthouse. Student, let it is h. This distance, let x. Let PQ is the lighthouse. Then, since these angles are alternate angles, so this is also 30 degree and that is 45 degree. Now in triangle PAQ, tan 45 degree equal to perpendicular PQ upon base is AQ. PQ is H, AQ is X, tan 45 is 1, so H equal to X. Let it be equation 1. Then, in triangle PBQ, tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular, same PQ and base is BQ. Tan 30 1 upon root 3, PQ equal to H and BQ is 200 plus X. Since X equal to H, so 1 upon root 3 equal to H upon 200 plus H. Cross multiply, we will get 200 plus H equal to root 3 H. Then 200 equal to H common. It is root 3 minus 1 into H. Shift H to the right side. Then H equal to 200 upon root 3 minus 1. Now we will rationalize it. So H equal to 200 into root 3 plus 1 and denominator becomes A minus B into A plus B. It is A square minus B square. So it is 3 minus 1. Or it is 2. So 200 upon 2 into value of root 3 1.732 plus 1. It is 100. So it is 100 into 2.732. So it is 273.2 meter. It is the height of the lighthouse. Now listen. Now student, it is question number 2. The horizontal distance between two poles is 15 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first pole as seen from the top of second pole is 30 degree. If height of the second pole is 24 meter, find the height of the first pole. So there are two poles A and B. Distance between them is 15 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first pole is 30 degree. Student, just draw one perpendicular. It is the first pole AB. Second pole is PQ. This perpendicular is let L. Since these angles are alternate, so it is also 30 degree. If the height of the second pole, it is 24 meter, find the height of first pole. Let it is H. Student, this is also 24 meter. So this distance AL, it becomes H minus 24. So in triangle APL, tan 30 degree equal to AL upon PL. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. AL is H minus 24 upon PL is 15. Now cross multiply. 15 upon root 3 equal to H minus 24. Student, here we rationalize 15 into root 3 upon 3 is 5. Then H equal to 5 root 3. This is H plus 24. H minus 24. So it is H becomes 5 root 3 plus 24. And if we put the value of H of root 3, let it is 1.73 plus 24, then it is 5 3 15, carry 1, 35 and 6, 3, 8.65 plus 24. So it is and 32. So it is 32.65 meter. It is the height of first pole. Student, question number 3. As observed from the top of 60-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. So, see the solution? It's a simple question. There is a lighthouse, its height is 60 meters. There are two ships, that it is A, another is B. The angle of depression, that is 45 degree, and that is 30 degree. One ship behind the other, find the distance between the two ships. Let this distance is x. This angle is also 30 degree because angles are alternate. It is 45 degree. Still let PQ is the lighthouse and this distance is y. Then in triangle PAQ, angle Q is 90. Therefore, tan 45 equal to PQ upon AQ tan 45 is 1, PQ 60 upon AQ. So AQ is 60 meter. Now in triangle PBQ, angle Q 90, then tan 30 degree is PQ upon BQ. It is 1 upon root 3, it is 60, and BQ is X plus Y, AQ is Y, which is 60 meter. Then cross multiply, X plus 60 equal to 60 root 3. Then X equal to 60 common, it is root 3 minus 1. Then 60 into 1.732 minus 1, it is 60 into 0.732. Then 6 to the 12, 6 to the 18, 1 19, carry 1 42 and 43. And 0, then 3 days, 1 2 3. So this distance is 43.92 meter. This is the distance between two ships, which is X.